Yep. So, this is what I've got going today. It's my right rear fender, and you can see, again, I think this was part of the old rocker panel. This is the fender. This is the repair piece, the old repair piece. I'll show you the other side. So I've got that to repair, or stuff with fiberglass, something. And what I'm likely to do is cut this thing right like that. I think. I might get rid of more than just that, and do it from like here over, because this is too long. I know that already. So from this point over, I'll see what's up with that. And then go from there. Yep. Okay, that's done. I've got some rust to take out. I actually, when I stripped the fender a long time ago, I figured I'd be cutting it, somewhere down here or somewhere up here or whatever. So I didn't strip off all the rest of that rust. So that'll be 5 minutes worth of grinding. But so next, I'm going to hang this on my my car and fit the other piece and see how it goes. Hopefully, it's not as fucked up as the other one. Not fucked up, I shouldn't say that. I needed to tailor it a whole bunch. Here's the other one. Boy, is this ever stout, too. Tell you what. Yeah, I think it's solid as a rock. In my age, I forgot about putting the outer rocker on this side. This one fits. Fits better than the other one, sure as hell did. Gotta drain the, drill the drain plug. That looks a little okay back in there. Looks better than the other side did, I'll tell you that. But I've got, there's my back. I've got surgery to do. Just like I did on the other one. Hold on, let me pause and turn. There we go. So, I've got just about the same amount on each side to take off, or all the way down. And that's just about, heck, that's not going to be easy, hard at all. Just where it comes down. I can show you here, over here. So just as it curves down, just as it curves down here and then comes down horizontal, you can see that that's about the distance that I need to cut out and perform surgery on. Well, might as well get to it. Wasn't tough the other time. Probably easier this time. Yeah. So, not bad. I've got some good penetration in there. And I'm not displeased. Just like the last one, I had a good weld penetration there. Not bad at all. And this is what I got. So I know I've not welded every spot, so I've got some of that to fill in. And I'm going to do that with that stuff. Here we go. Got some wavies throughout here, no big deal. I'll fill that in. Bondo, smooth it out. A little bit of hole there. Not bad. Let's take a look at the back. And again, good welds. Get in there closer. Hold on, get the light on. There we go. Okay, like I said, good penetration. Welded all the way through, which means a strong bond. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad. And there we go. So it's welded in, and the welds are ground down. It looks pretty good. Looks like rust, but that's not. I don't know what it is. Yeah, not bad. Not fantastic. I've got some, maybe I've just got some discolor in there. Yeah, same thing. Discoloration, I got some to clean up. This is next. And I think it fits a heck of a lot better than the other side does, I'll tell you that. Yeah. So I'll measure that, weld it, and I think that'll be the night, I think.